everybody, guess what? It's Mother's Day and we're at Blizzard Beach. Oh yes, okay, I wonder, do we have to buy towels? This is our first time here.
Return it. What are you gonna do?
I don't know. I mean, you could buy towels. There's the beach house. Yeah, there's the beach house here where you can buy the towels. If you want to buy the towels, you come to the beach house. This is my German side of the family. Okay.
Slow down, Baptist first.
Yes, I'm slowing down. Okay. Oh, look at, there's the racers right there. There's not a whole lot of people here. I'm very excited. I think what I can do is bring the GoPro onto some of the rides. So I do have the 360 with me. It's all charged up, hopefully. Forgot to check. But let's go to the locker and towel rental over here. And we're also gonna go to the bathroom. Man, can't wait to hit that up later. Whoop, whoop. So this is our first time, obviously. So we're just going to make our way to another set of lockers. That's a little bit closer to all of the things. There's lockers at the main entrance, and then there's another set over here. There's another set that's over here by the kids' play area. So we're gonna try those first, and if not, we'll just go back in front. But otherwise, like, the crowds are not that bad on Mother's Day here.
Permanecer sentados, por favor.
But I was thinking that the crowds that we may not even be able to get in. I bought my tickets this morning and we just walked right in. And did I mention parking was free today? That's really cool. Anyways, let's go check out these lockers.
We need a locker.
Yeah, we're still looking for Snowless Joel. Where's Snowless Joel, hon? Don't you know where Snowless Joel?
I didn't see it walking through there, so. You look at the map.
I got the feet moving. Feet are moving. Alright, so we have obviously ridden some of the water slides here. We're gonna go get something to eat real quick. This one wants to get a water toy. And then I'm gonna see if I can get the GoPro on. Because we are going to continue going on some of the rides. We went on, what is it, Steamboat Springs, and we went on the Lazy River, and that was a lot of fun. That was his first water slide. Went over to Tykes Peak, and he, of course, went in his circles and did the same thing over and over and over again. Wanted to just stay there forever. And sorry, I'm pulling my mask because our mask got wet. So it's sticking to my face. Anyways, we're gonna get something to eat here, and then we'll be right back. Whoa, who's that? Look what I found. Here at the, where are we? Lottawada Lodge? I think that's what this one is. There's a menu here, and look, you guys, we just realized that they have Dole Whip. Bum, bum, bum. What'd you get today?
A cookie, shovel, bucket, chicken nuggets, fries, apple juice.
Yeah, so we got the kids' 2-piece chicken McNugget meal. Daddy got the bacon double cheeseburger. I got a salad. Don't make fun because I'm gonna get a Dole Whip later. And a lemonade and a Diet Coke, and this cost $47. And look what's around us. Yay! And look, there's not a whole lot of people either. Look at this. It's great! I don't think I'll have to put my headphones on. I'm just staring at him and he doesn't realize it.
Awkward.
Alright, switching it up to the GoPro here. Still wearing our masks. Because this section here, you have to wear your mask. And then once you cross the bridge over here, you can take it off. So, but the problem is, where are you going to put your mask? So thankfully he has his pockets, and you can put the mask in his pockets. But your mask is going to get wet, so just be prepared for that. Oh, there he is.
Let's go up the gondola this time.
The gondola? I don't, okay. Okay, we're going up a gondola. Oh boy.
And we go.
I used to look at this map online obsessively when I was in high school.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because I was like, I want to go to these places. Like, what is it like going on this thing? How big is it? How high does it go? Are you going to do the summit? Are you going to do it?
Yeah, why not?
Let's see if they'll allow the GoPro on your rig. What's this one?
I don't know. Looks like an easy little...
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look, it's one for the kids.
Cool.
That looks fun. Look at this one, Charlie. With the orange shoes at the bottom. Oh, look over there. We haven't even been over there to play.
How did we even miss this?
We're gonna go that way.
You want to go over there? Okay, let's see what kind of slide Daddy can go on and take the GoPro. If not, I'm going to try to go on one and take the GoPro.
Look at, they're so adorable.
Oh, and it looks like Mom can go on, like parents can go on it too.
Oh my god!
Whoa!
That's the one Daddy's going on.
Yeah!
But not me.
No, too fast for you.
Yeah, but then that's how we make always scream.
Yeah.
Ah! Stop. Somebody wants. Is that a cake? That is. I think. Oh my god!
For some reason, a lot of hair ties over here.
Yeah.
It's similar to Everest. A lot of people like put their hair ties. It's like a traditional thing. And we're here. All right. Yes, we sure do. We gotta take them off. We're gonna go down. What is this? Not Summit Plummet. This is which ride is this again? Teamboat Springs. We're gonna go down Teamboat Springs.
I do not want to go on this one again.
Aww. He says that and he says that and then he's like laughing the whole way. It happens every time. See, look, now he's running. He wants to be in front. Okay. Here we go. All right, so Chef is going to ride Summit Plummet right behind me. And he's gonna take the lift to get up there. So we're gonna wait till
Daddy, Nick is right there.
Oh, he's already on. He's already on.
There's Daddy.
There he is. Is it stopping again?
Hi, Daddy. He can hear me. Alright.
He's going over there. All right, people. He's at the top. He's at the top. He's gonna come down.
Oh, I see him.
Get ready. Oh, here we go. Here he goes. Here he goes. He's coming. Oh, the gate is up. He's going down. Oh my gosh, here he comes.
That was fun.
Whoa.
That was awesome.
There he is.
Thank you.
That was something. Oh my gosh.
Is it fun?
Yeah, you stop breathing. You just can't even catch up. You can't even catch your breath. You're
Oh
like,
my gosh. I don't know.
that was cool.
Yeah.
The thing is when you're up there, all you
Charlie, no. Charlie.
all you see is the water,
Just splashing it.
and you don't get to enjoy seeing any of the slide.
Oh, really?
It's just like,
Yeah, done it.
wow. That was
Did you get air?
no.
You know, oh no, air. Are you like stuck to the slide or?
Yeah.
Oh wow. I thought you would have like gotten some air on that thing.
Oh man,
Dang.
that was really something.
Yeah.
All right, should we go see if we can do another tube slide?
Sure.
Yeah, the orange one.
You want to do the orange one?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Your legs,
Yeah.
and all of a sudden,
Ski Patrol Training Camp. Next one. All right, you want to go on them?
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, go ahead with the being able to feel it. It just happens so fast.
you don't even enjoy it. You're just like, oh.
One rider per tube. Okay. Grab a tube, Dad. Okay, I got my tube. Dad's got his tube. So this is what we're going on right here. Nice, relaxing little short ride. It's called the Cool Runners. All right, here we go, kiddo. He's going by himself. Whoa!
He's gonna come out right in the middle.
Oh, this is his first one. By himself, anyway. Yeah.
There you go.
Yay, he did it! Whoa! 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 You did it, bud!
Yeah, it was my first time.
Yeah. Good job!
Yes.
He wants to go again.
I like.
All right. He's gonna do it by himself. He's gonna go on the one that I just went on just now. Here he comes, here he comes. Whoa! Whoa! Good job! All right, Charlie! Good job, bud! Don't work!
Again! No!
You got it? I got it, I got it, I got it! It's cute. All right. Okay.
Whee!
You want to go again?
Mommy went whee!
You did go wee, didn't you?
Yeah.
Where's it? He wants to go again. I think we started a new pattern.
It's not a good pattern to be in.
I got it, Daddy! It went whee!
Yeah.
Whoa, Charlie! Whoa! I'm on the other side. He's going down this way. I think he's gonna beat me. I think he's gonna beat me. He's gonna beat me. Ah! Whoa! You beat me!
I beat you.
Oh my goodness! Alright everybody, that about wraps up our Mother's Day. Thank you for joining us at Blizzard Beach. Hope you guys had a lot of fun. Can't wait for you guys to join us next time. Like and subscribe to the show. Links are down below. Hit that bell to get notified when every episode posts. You'll see coming up on the screen all of my social media. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. And as always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thank you for being
Happy Mother's Day.
awesome.